On our way to pick up some E85 for the Turbo MX6. Leaving AutoZone, just picked up a 5-gallon gas jug. Time to get this E85. Mommy's inside getting your juice.
Yeah.
You excited?
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you.
All right. We got the E85.
Yes, sir.
Man, it looks like this gas area hasn't been touched in a while. Yeah, this car hasn't been started up in months, guys. Months, okay? So we're going to do the cold start on video, show you kind of how hard it is to get a car, you know, on E85 to start up cold. Especially when it's been sitting for a while.
Exactly. Found our funnel.
Yeah, we needed a funnel, guys, for sure. Got her all filled up with the E85. Before I start up the car, I wanted to tell you guys that I did order some wheel spacers for the back, obviously. I felt like I was pretty content with the front.
Yeah.
But then I quickly thought about it, and I love to drive so spiritedly, you know, and I actually plan on taking this car, you know, on a lot of spirited drives with my beautiful wife. And so I really didn't want to put the wheel spacers on.
Yeah.
I'd like to keep this car functional as far as the way that it handles and everything. So for right now, I'm gonna just deal with the wheels the way that they are right now, and eventually I'll go with some really nice lighter wheels. You see, some wheels that really, you know, that poke out and you know, all that stuff down the road. For right now, I'm keeping this car pretty much track ready.
Yes.
I want to be able to hit the Nuremberg if I decide to. You know what I'm saying? And you know, right now with the way that she's set up, you know, you could take this car on a track right now. So. But without further ado, let's cold start her.
Cold starting her, baby.
It's been a couple of months, little mama.
Right? I'm so excited.
Sorry, I gotta look through all these keys. It takes a while. There we go. All right.
Got little baby Callie.
Hey guys, before I start up the car, I wanted to mention one thing. If I ever upload something that makes you guys uncomfortable or makes you upset, you know, if it makes you feel some type of way about it, you know, don't come tell me about it. You can just feel free to unsubscribe from the channel.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we love everything with a motor and wheels. It doesn't matter if it has 4 wheels or 2 wheels.
Or 3 wheels.
It doesn't make us any less 2-wheel family.
Thank you.
So, you know, at the end of the day, we don't want any of you guys to leave. We love you all. But I've just been having a lot of people complaining lately about the content that I'm uploading on my car and saying that it doesn't really make us 2-wheel family.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, you know, this car right here is my passion.
Yes.
Okay? I'm going to upload whatever I want on my channel.
Yes,
just that
sir.
simple. Okay? I plan on pretty much filming every step-by-step thing that I do to this car.
Yep.
You know, we're going to be getting shifter carts, ATVs.
Thank you.
It's just what we do, okay? 2-wheel family, like I said, if it has an engine and some wheels, we're on it. You know what I'm saying?
It. We have it, exactly.
But at the end of the day, for anybody who's feeling some type of way about anything, you don't have to come tell me. You know, 2-wheel family, we make sure that the exit sign is well lit, just so you guys can find it.
Exactly.
Okay? So if anybody's feeling some type of way, you can just unsubscribe from the channel. You know, as savage as that sounds, I'm not trying to come off that way. At the end of the day, I just don't want people coming to me and pretty much telling me what to do with my channel.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, this is our channel. We made this channel so that when our daughter, she grows up, she can pretty much watch her parents just out here getting it.
Exactly.
Okay, getting everything. We know that life is short.
Yep.
But like I said, I plan on filming every little thing that we do with this car. And, you know, even down the road, I still plan on getting a supercar. And I'm going to film a ton of content on that. So, you know, I'm just telling those that it bothers now. If it's bothering you that bad, you may want to leave. Turbo MX6 cold stock.
Woohoo!
For those who don't know about cars on E85, they don't like to cold start.
No, they don't.
Let me cycle that key a couple of times. This is where I assist.
Oh, the smell of that sweet corn. I love this car too, baby. Callie, you love it?
Yeah, I love it too.
You love it?
This interior is white. This
Right?
thing literally looks like it's ready for the track right now.
That is crazy.
And that's exactly why I don't want to install wheel spacers. I want to be able to, like, if I decide to take this on a track, I should be able to take this car on a track.
Exactly.
Okay? And I'm going to be turning it a little too hard to have wheel spacers installed.
Thank
I'll tell you that.
you.
My wife is so excited, guys. I actually am going to take her for her first pull in this car.
Right?
And this is going to be the last pull that we do before we get it tuned.
Yes.
Obviously. I just want her to feel how, like the way it makes power now.
Yeah.
And then see how it feels after we get it tuned with this new turbo.
Woo!
I don't think one or two more pulls is going to pop this motor.
Yeah, exactly.
There she goes. Oh. Now we'll let her warm up just a little.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, obviously in the tune I need to have my idle values adjusted.
Yes. All right, guys. It's my first ride in the MX6.
Here we go. You ready, babe?
I'm ready.
We're gonna do a second gear pull.
Second gear pull, baby.
This is gonna be the last time I do a pull in this car. Second gear, you ready?
I'm ready.
Dang, I bet it threw you back.
It did.
Dang. Isn't that crazy?
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that amazing how that feels?
Nice.
Hold on, I'll do one more pull with you. One more pull just for old time's sake. Here we go, last pull, baby.
Last pull. Jesus.
Told you, this thing rips, babe.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Yes, ma'am.
love you.
Man, I love this car.
Gosh, I love this
It
car
rips,
so
babe.
much. That was so much fun. Yeah.
You know, I was told when I had my SRT4, after doing some hard pulls, you know, to let the car idle.
Yeah.
That's why they make something called a turbo timer.
Smart.
That's for when you pull up to your destination, you shut the car off, you can get out.
Yeah.
And it'll keep your car running for about a minute or whatever you set it to, and then it'll shut it off.
Yeah, that's super smart.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so happy we're back in the turbo world.
Right? Me too.
This car rules, babe.
Oh, I love it. Man, that's crazy how the bullets made it through the back of the shed.
Oh, yes. I love this shotgun.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I actually sleep with this shotgun next to me at night, and I sleep with my 9mm under the pillow. Locked, loaded, and ready for any demons.
Yes,
at
sir.
any time. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of 2O Family. We love you so much. Peace.
Peace.